Ever wondered what root analysis in hacking is and why it's important? Well, let's demystify it together. Root analysis, in its simplest form, is a process used by hackers to discover the path that data takes from one computer to another. Imagine data as a traveler on a journey. Route analysis is the method of mapping out that journey. It's akin to a GPS, guiding data from point A to point B. Now, why is route analysis significant in hacking? It's akin to a double-edged sword. In the hands of a hacker, it's a tool for identifying vulnerabilities and weak points in a network security. On the flip side, for cybersecurity professionals, understanding route analysis is key to safeguarding networks. It helps them predict potential attack paths, thus enabling them to fortify their defenses in advance. So it's safe to say, understanding route analysis is crucial for both hackers and cybersecurity professionals. Now that we know what route analysis is, it's time to delve into the basics. Essentially, route analysis is the process of studying and evaluating the path data takes from its origin to its destination across a network. This path, known as a route, consists of several points or hops that the data passes through. Let's break it down. When you send a data packet from your computer, it doesn't go directly to its destination. It goes through a series of routers, each one a hop in the journey. The data packet's journey is determined by routing protocols, which are essentially rules that guide the packet on its way. So how does this relate to hacking? Well, hackers can exploit this process in a number of ways. They may manipulate routing protocols to divert data packets, intercepting them mid-route. This is a bit like a mailman changing your mail's route so he can open it. They might also conduct a route analysis to uncover network vulnerabilities. By understanding the route a data packet takes, they can identify weak points in the network security. Once these weak points are discovered, they can be exploited to gain unauthorized access to the network. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use route analysis as a tool to strengthen network security. By conducting a route analysis, they can identify and address these vulnerabilities before malicious hackers have a chance to exploit them. Route analysis also plays a crucial role in incident response. If a breach occurs, understanding the route the data took can help in identifying the source of the attack, aiding in the recovery and prevention of future incidents. So, in a nutshell, route analysis involves understanding the journey of data across a network, identifying potential vulnerabilities along the way, and using this knowledge to either exploit or protect the network. It's a complex process, but a fundamental one in the world of cybersecurity. With these basics in hand, you're well on your way to comprehending route analysis. Let's highlight the key points we've learned so far. Route analysis is a vital tool in the world of cybersecurity. It helps us understand the pathways data takes through a network, revealing potential weak spots. It's like a roadmap for data packets, and just as a traveler uses a map to navigate, so do hackers. But in this case, they're looking for the path of least resistance to their destination, your data. Understanding the basics of route analysis is crucial. It's all about tracing the journey of data packets and identifying any irregularities. This knowledge is a hacker's compass, guiding them to their target. But remember, we're not here to promote malicious activities. We use this knowledge to strengthen our defenses, to fortify our networks. Route analysis can be effectively used in ethical hacking. It can help us identify vulnerabilities in our network and take preventative measures to secure our systems. Remember these key points as they will serve as your foundation in understanding route analysis. Theory is good, but practical application is key. So how can we apply route analysis in real-life situations? Let's delve into that. Route analysis is a vital tool in the world of network security and ethical hacking. It's like having a map of the digital world and knowing how to navigate it. Imagine you're a network administrator. You've got a complex network with numerous devices connected. Suddenly, a threat is detected. But where is it coming from? Route analysis can be your guide here. It can help you trace the path that data packets take, allowing you to locate the source of the threat and take necessary action. Now, let's consider another scenario. You're an ethical hacker tasked with testing the security of a network. Using root analysis, you can map out the network, identify potential vulnerabilities, and help strengthen the network's defenses. Root analysis also plays a pivotal role in incident response. When a cyber attack occurs, it's critical to understand how the attack was carried out to prevent future occurrences. By analyzing the routes that the attacker took, security teams can gain valuable insights into their tactics and techniques. Moreover, route analysis can be used in red team operations. For those unfamiliar, a red team is a group that actively challenges an organization's security measures to improve its effectiveness. By using route analysis, the red team can better understand the network structure, identify weak points, and provide recommendations for improvement. Lastly, let's not forget about threat intelligence. Route analysis aids in detecting and mitigating cyber threats. By understanding the routes that data takes, security experts can spot abnormal traffic patterns and detect potential threats. As you can see, route analysis isn't just theory, it has practical applications in our digital world. Scene script. Ready to take your route analysis knowledge to the next level? Well, let's take a deep dive into the advanced techniques and tools that can significantly amplify your cybersecurity skills. The first step towards mastery of route analysis is understanding the myriad of tools available to you. Tools like traceroute, MTR, and pathping are some of the most commonly used in the industry. They provide the ability to trace the route an IP packet takes to reach a destination, giving you invaluable insights into network topology and potential vulnerabilities. Now, let's go a step further. Have you ever wondered if you could manipulate the route a packet takes? Well, with advanced techniques such as source routing, you can do exactly that. Source routing allows the sender of a packet to specify the route the packet should follow. This technique can be used to test the robustness of your network, identify weak points, and strengthen your cybersecurity defenses. Another advanced technique is route spoofing. This involves creating bogus routes or altering existing ones to mislead potential attackers. By using route spoofing, you can potentially redirect attackers to decoy systems, protecting your valuable assets and buying precious time to respond to the threat. Also, it's important to remember that route analysis isn't just about identifying vulnerabilities. It's also about mitigation and response. Advanced techniques such as route filtering and route authentication can be used to block unauthorized routes and verify the authenticity of routing information. Lastly, let's talk about route analytics. Just like any other form of analytics, route analytics involves the collection, processing, and analysis of routing data. By using machine learning and AI techniques, route analytics can provide real-time insights, predictive analytics, and proactive threat detection, taking your route analysis skills to a whole new level. With these advanced techniques, you will be able to perform route analysis at a higher level. So brace yourself for a thrilling journey into the world of advanced route analysis. We've come a long way in understanding route analysis. This journey has taken us through the basics, understanding what route analysis is, the key points to keep in mind, its practical applications, and even some advanced techniques. We started with an introduction to route analysis, a fundamental aspect of cybersecurity. We delved into the basics, exploring how route analysis works and why it's important. We understood that it's essentially a technique to understand the path data travels across networks, providing invaluable insights about potential vulnerabilities. We then moved on to the key points of route analysis. We discussed the importance of knowing the command to run route analysis and how this knowledge can empower ethical hackers. This is the foundation upon which we build our understanding and expertise. From there, we dived into the practical application of route analysis. We looked at real-life examples and case studies, highlighting how route analysis can be used in penetration testing and incident response. We also discussed how it can strengthen cyber defenses and play a crucial role in red team operations. We also ventured into the realm of advanced route analysis techniques, showcasing how to use advanced commands and features. We explored how understanding routing protocols can enhance the effectiveness of route analysis. We also examined the intersection of route analysis and threat intelligence and how it can be used to detect and mitigate cyber threats. And finally, we discussed the importance of securing your network with route analysis, outlining the best strategies and tools for the job. This journey through root analysis has hopefully given you a solid grounding in its fundamentals and its importance in the sphere of cybersecurity. But remember, this is just the beginning. The field of cybersecurity is vast and ever evolving, so keep exploring, keep learning, and keep enhancing your skills. Remember, understanding route analysis is a crucial step in enhancing your cybersecurity skills. Keep exploring, keep learning.